everyone. My mom bought that cat bed for her cat, and her cat didn't like it, so she gave it to me. Posey would never use it, so she gave it to me, and I brought it home, and the girls are checking it out. They're thoroughly sniffing it all over. My mom had actually sprinkled a little catnip on the inside, so it's probably what they're sniffing on. It'll be interesting to see if they actually go in and use that. And yes, my Christmas tree is still up. It's not lit though. I've unplugged it for the year. I just haven't got it put away yet. But they are sniffing around. Might actually be a little catnip around on the inside edges. Might be what Rosie is licking on. She's blocking the door so Lily can't get over there. So Lily's going to check out the back of it. It'd be funny if a few specks of catnip, actually. Let's see, Rosie. Well, Lily, what did you think of that? Huh? What do you think of that? I'm just waiting to see if one of them will go inside of it. Gonna go in there, Rosie, or you just... Rosie is so funny. She's halfway inside there, and she's just laying there, sniffing around. She's not gonna let Lily go over there. She's gonna be the one that checks it out first. She's like, Lily, go away. I'm checking this out. Now she'll go around the back. Okay, Lily, it's your chance. You can check out the inside. You gonna go away? You gonna go in? Gonna go in, Lily? Now's your chance before Rosie comes back. thought maybe Lily would. She's a little more adventurous than Rosie. Gonna lose your chance here in a minute, Lily. It's nice and soft inside. See? Rosie's gonna run you off now. Nobody's gonna go inside, huh? Neither one of you are going inside. You're just gonna sniff around. Rosie got halfway inside, but that's about as close as they got. Okay. So how does it check out? You haven't even tried to go inside to check out the bed. Yeah. Neither one of you have checked out the bed inside. If it had been a cardboard box, you both would have been in it almost instantly. You guys are so funny. You guys are so funny. Funny kitties. So I guess nobody's gonna go inside and check out and see how cozy and soft the bed is. No, Lily's lost interest. And Rosie's still thinking about it. Well, I guess that's all for tonight, guys.